Okay, here we are with the 64 C10 here at Fuel Required. And I will do two videos here, one of the exterior and some interior, and then we'll do a start up here. I'll grab someone. You can see the truck's in really nice shape. And I pulled the tonneau back so you can see the bed, but again, just the interior. All the gauges are nice. The clock, factory air, tissue dispenser. Just an overall nice truck. And in the bed, there's the original wood. And there's some extra parts in that box there pertaining to the air conditioning, and a rubber mat that covers the floor in the bed. And I give you some exterior shots here of the tailgate. Got a trailer hitch. And again, I'll do a second one with the vehicle running. Okay, here we go with a start video by myself. So go out to the engine bay. No knocks, no anything. Very nice exhaust on the truck. Got a little rumble to it. Pipes actually come out on the side, each side, the wood's off. And let me rev up the gas here a little bit. Okay, enjoy.